In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zapier app connection missing fields. So if you have some missing fields in your Zapier app connection, what you can do is you just need to click that particular step. For example, I have in here my Gmail, and it has this particular exclamation. That means that there is actually something wrong with this. You can head over to the Configure tab and make sure that all of the fields right here has been filled out. So make sure to input right here all of the details and make sure that any part of this that has the star or red star has been filled out. This will actually help you to expand the step with the missing fields and actually use it correctly next time. You can also reload the drop-down menu items if you're missing fields within the drop-down menu. You can also check for data in the previous step or trigger and review the data out tab in the trigger or previous action step to ensure the expected data is being sent directly to Zapier. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.